Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. As you can see by the title, I am making this
Yeah, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
And cabbage, quick and easy. Here I have my cabbage already shred up, and I have the purple cabbage and the white cabbage along with a small portion of carrot. And here is the corned beef that I'll be using. So I have onion, tomato, bell pepper, and hot pepper for this quick and easy recipe. Here I have some thyme, that's a dry thyme because I'm trying to avoid this thyme, and some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some meat seasoning. Here I have my skillet on the fire. I'm adding a small portion of oil. And here is the corned beef that I'm gonna be breaking up into small pieces. Yes. So now I'm gonna add the scallion, the tomato, and the bell pepper to the oil to saute it down. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Now I'm adding the cabbage to the sauteed onion, tomato, and the bell pepper. And I'm just stirring this up a little. And now I'm gonna add some black pepper to this. Yes. And now I'm adding some of the thyme. Yes, guys, this is a quick and easy recipe. Now I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning to that. And I'm just mixing this all up. I like to cut my cabbage very small for my corned beef. So now I'm adding some garlic powder and some meat seasoning. Guys, this smells so good. So I'm putting in a little tip of ketchup. And I'm making way for my corned beef. So here I put the corned beef in, and I'm just gonna add some more black pepper to that. And I'm just covering it up. Yes, guys. Corned beef and cabbage. So I'm just mixing it all up now after having it under the cabbage for 5 minutes. Now me I scatter out my corned beef in the cabbage. Yes. Corned beef and cabbage. I'm putting in a hot pepper. Yes, guys, there you have it, my lovely people. My corned beef and cabbage is ready. It looks so delicious. And here I share out a plate. Yes, corned beef and cabbage served with some white rice and tomato and cucumber. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Live good, eat good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man.
Mr. J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them.